And don't forget to put the screws. You gotta put the screws back in. Try not to strip them. The kit I came with extra like new screws, so probably gonna use those. So just in case you strip those, you got another set. And then you just change the rubber part here. Now the old gaskets are all hard and yucky. And that one just goes in. You don't have to lube it up or anything. And then make sure you put it back on the bike. Here's the bolt. Just want to get this plastic washer here. And when you put it back on the bike, it's going to go like that. Pretty simple. I'll just torque it down the spec, but just torque it nice and snug. It has a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver bolt. So if I were you, maybe just tighten it as tight as you could with the screwdriver without stripping it, and then maybe get a wrench and then just might go like 1/8 or something. And then you should be good. That's it. The repair kit I used, I got it off of eBay, and this works for a KLR250 and apparently a KLR600 and other bikes. KLR250 is not even listed on there, but it works. And give you some nice new shiny bolts. Good stuff. And if you want, I didn't replace the screens. One of my screens is busted too, so. But I'm gonna wind up putting a fuel filter after this anyway, so.